Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 a.m. in the morning on a Thursday for me. Um, Let me just share this.
My view, which is also a bit
Oh,
widely shared, I think, is
welcome, Darren. Tom. So welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just noting any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people who help each other and we are not financial advisors. So please only take trades you're happy to take or EAs based on your own analysis. So there is a full risk disclosure bit about us as live session traders. Darren, what's how'd it go? Pushed up and then
Well, after
pulled
all that
back.
discussion, I
Oh
just
no.
I left it, and what I basically did was before the interest rate decision announcement, I turned me I turned the EAs off. In fact, I turned out all the USD sort of EAs off, including obviously FX Propter. Obviously left the trades running. The interest rate decision dropped. Euro USD surged upwards.
Yeah.
Um,
And then pulled back.
and sucked all the way back down again. In fact, it's now down. It's actually below now where it was at just before the interest rate announcement, I think. So
Yeah. Yeah,
completely
yeah, yeah.
reversed that move. Um, so I'm having a look at it. So now nudged back up again now. So, but it hit about, I think it peaked at 31% drawdown at the top of that
Wow.
push. It's now about, it sucked all the way back down and was sort of about 9% drawdown. It's currently,
Oh my gosh,
I don't know, about 13% or something. So
that's a phenomenal amount, isn't it? That
it
it
is, it
went
is,
up to
it's
30,
because of these
down to
lots.
9, back. Yeah, because of the
Yeah,
lot size.
it's because it scales up these lot sizes. So it doesn't take much of a move now to,
Wow.
on the account. You've got 0.74 lot size. I've just been
Yeah.
trying to sort of work out, had I left it on, would it have opened another position?
Oh yeah. Yeah, no,
And
it
a
would have.
huge lot size at the top there, and would I now be out of the trades? And it stuck back on. I'm not sure it would actually. So I was looking at how many pips typically between each position it opens, and I don't think it would have quite. I don't think it would have done it.
Okay. No, well,
So
you don't
because
know.
long
You
story
don't know
short,
because you turned it off. So it's like,
yeah, but I can see where the current biggest position, the last position that it opened, I can see where that what price that opened at.
uh-huh.
Um, they tend to be about spaced about 60 pips apart. I think from where that candle that where that sort of where that position had opened to where it peaked was a bit less, was less than 60 pips, about 40 pips, I think. So
Right.
it wouldn't have triggered.
I was going to say, was the spacing smaller as it gets further and the lot size get larger, but
Hmm.
it tends
The
to be the
spacing
same.
spacing seems to be about the same, but just the
Yeah,
lot
okay.
size get
Right,
bigger.
right, right.
Yeah.
So that's the question. Yeah, okay. Mm.
So it's pretty much back where it.
Okay. So now the question is, what do you do now?
Well, I just had he's still talking, any Powell? So I was sort of wait for him to finish and all the rest of it, and then we'll just switch the things back on and let him run, see what happens next.
Okay.
I mean, he's still talking, looking at. Just looking now on.
Oh, that's what you were listening to before with
Yeah,
Jerome. Okay.
yeah. So I don't know
Okay.
what I didn't. I missed some of it, so I don't know what he said after
He was
the.
just talking about his orange friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
but it sucked all the way back down, and it was started at one point. It was starting to push down. I thought, oh,
Yeah,
this looks good.
yeah.
This looks good, but then I think just just I think it was just a big stop hunt exercise. That then I think.
Yeah. And also too, it just isn't it annoying that Petco, it gets into this drawdown and Petco puts a video out saying, well, probably not good to be on this currency. You should change it over to this
Yeah,
currency.
yeah,
Like when you're in the when you're in the
yeah,
middle of it,
yeah.
like not very helpful, really.
Just on FX Proctor as well. There's actually a pathway 1 and a pathway 2.
What does
Two
that mean?
versions of it. And looking on my FX book, pathway 2 seems to have avoided this drawdown. Pathway 1, sort of the one I'm on, it's a multi drawdown. So there are two variations to this.
Are
Yeah,
they in the set files or are they in what
yeah,
you
yeah.
download or?
You can you can go with pathway 1, pathway 2, or both. I think. Yeah,
Right.
they're just set files, different set files. I just went with the pathway 1, but
Oh no.
anyway.
Okay.
I think
And
when I was sort of looking at the notes on it, yeah, I sort of got the impression pathway 2 was the
aggressive.
slightly riskier one, but
Oh.
slightly more aggressive one. But
At
anyway,
this
so
point
it
in
was
time, obviously not.
yeah.
Okay.
So obviously it was an eventful few minutes, but we're just
Yeah.
back to where we started again.
So where did it move? Like it was when the US actually made the rate change. It wasn't at UK Open.
Well, the interest rate move.
When the decision of the interest rate came out, that's when the move occurred. It wasn't.
Yeah, literally,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
literally
Literally
just over
right
it.
at that time. Yeah, okay.
This was just over an hour ago, and then just off it went. Even though it was as expected, 1% cut, it did just shut up,
Hmm.
pushed up
And
for
and then and then sucked back pretty severely.
sucked back severely after
It's even
Mr.
it's
Powell
even
started talking.
yeah, it's pushed back up a little bit though.
Yeah,
It's nearly right at the point of where it started out.
yeah, yeah. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Madness, really.
Yeah.
Taking a few
Jump.
stop losses out, probably.
Oh yeah, up and down. Yeah. Oh no,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. Well that's very
What's
interesting.
funny is on my 2 hour time frame, it didn't move.
Yeah, no, that's right. Because of yeah, I know what you mean. If you look at the 2 hour here, it didn't it with Renko's, it didn't move anywhere.
Yeah, he's still talking. Oh, well,
Yeah, it was really on UK Tuesday where it pushed. It was that day, the pre-day, and then when you talk, you're absolutely right, Tom. When you look at the Renko's now on the 2 hour, it really hasn't gone anywhere. It basically pushed up, pushed down, and it's in the middle again. So it's really around the same spot as where it was um, yesterday. Yeah,
That's why I'm saying I don't see the noise.
yeah. No. It's all it's cleaned up. That's right. Hmm. Yeah, Darren's in a different situation. He has an EA that's that well, EAs they're quite volatile. So you're absolutely right, Tom. Yeah, makes it very different. Oh, it's certainly pushed up and out. So, oh no, Darren's got doing something else for the minute. All right. I just wondered what um other EAs that he had on. Anyway, we'll get back to that when he's able. Right. Let's just go down through some pairs and we'll talk about some other stuff. So you know, Tom, I've got where is it? There. Oh, Darren's back. I've got Infinity Trader EA, I've got Euro Stable EA, and I've got FX Eternals at this point.
Well, Infinity's made a good start for me.
I haven't put it on anything yet.
Yeah.
I'm just doing my spreadsheet with all the
I mean, it's
the
up
things that-
up half a percent already. So
What's Infinity Trade? What currency does it
GU.
trade?
GU.
That's its main thing, is it?
Yeah. I'll say I
Hmm.
turned it off again before the Fed rate.
Because it had a USD in it.
It's about half a percent up now, so that's pretty good in
Well, it's
a
interesting
little over
because
24 hours.
I couldn't find too much. Where am I? Hang on. I'll just stop share there and I'll come across back over to here. Because when you look at Infinity Trader, it's got, this is old real money, it's thingo, but new. Where is it? Oh gosh. Yeah. Well, that's interesting. Is it further down? Oh, yeah, here. Like EA1, I don't know what hell, and then it's EuroCAD here
Yeah.
and NZD CAD. But it's listing other, and then EA AI. I don't know what these things are. Just seems really weird. I couldn't find, it doesn't list anywhere what currencies you're supposed to trade
Let's have a look at
with this pair.
have a look at the user guide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you got to go to the user guide. Okay.
Actually, no, I think it's on the got to go on the website for it. But you think I'm on trading the wrong currency pair here?
Well, I don't know. I'm not. I'm actually not sure.
Well, I've obviously got that from somewhere. There's GU.
Yeah, I think you got it off Petco. Well, maybe off Petco.
Maybe I did then.
So yeah, no, I was just trying to qualify it out. So it's going okay if it's on GU, but I think it was Petco that was talking about it. But yeah, and
Three
and
currency pairs supported.
sorry, what was that?
It said it supports three currency pairs.
Is this in where in the supportive
website.
document?
On the website.
Oh, where's that? Hang on a minute.
I've just seen it somewhere in some.
Maybe here, trader. Oh, I can get out of that. I'll get out of that. So is this just on the website?
I just read that somewhere as I'm scrolling down.
Oh, yeah, three currency pairs supported. See? Do anywhere. Yeah, here. See there, Darren? It says that. But then when you go down here, and it's got, three different risks. That's the old one. That's the new real, whatever that is. But it's not telling you anywhere there what currency pairs. And then here it just says EA1. I don't know what the hell. It's 1 to 500 and MetaTrader 4. There's a demo. And then this one's demo as well. I see markets 1 to 500, MetaTrader 4, but it's on
FAQs.
EuroCAD. No, the FAQs don't tell you either. See, if I go to FAQs down here, it doesn't say what is it, what trading software can you use, don't have experience, installed Infinity, is it easy, how you activate it, what do I need to start trading, right? 3 or 4. Can use it on any broker, do you offer free updates, robot every day, how much money? So they're saying, 2 to 5K.
Yeah.
You can start with 1,000, 2 to 5. Can you run more than one EA in a single account? Yeah, but it's, doesn't tell you what
Well, there
time
we go.
frame.
There we go. The set files, right? All right. If you go on, click on where it says download. Go back to your.
Oh, I've got to log in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Click on
download. Yeah.
download.
Yeah.
And scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, and you see the set files and things. So there we go.
Oh, okay. You got AUD
GU.
CAD, NZD CAD.
Yeah.
Oh, and GU. So they're the 3. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
With
interesting.
low risk settings, even for small accounts. It doesn't tell you what sort of, it doesn't give you the leverage. It doesn't tell you what leverage you have to have on the account. It doesn't tell you nothing.
Does it not say that in the FAQs then, or?
No, no. It's a bit, anyway.
Well, I'll say what I did. I went back, found
It
that.
is a user guide anyway, they got, so. And they're recommending that you use a demo account before you use real money.
Yeah. Well, they're all going to say that, aren't they? Just
Yeah.
I mean, it's sensible. Sensible. What I did, as I said, I looked at that
Maybe,
slightly older video of Petco's a couple of months ago, and I just mirrored,
yeah. Here's the user
scrutinized these
guide.
settings and just mirrored them.
Here's the user guide anyway. It's got all this activating, starting configure. It doesn't tell you. Yeah.
How many licenses did we get with this? Was it two, one or two? Two.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
So
As I said, I've got myself a spreadsheet, so I'm filling out the bits and pieces. Uh, yeah, it just tells you this.
members only special offer,
Yeah, there's lots of all of that. Yeah,
extra licenses.
yeah.
Well, look, I'm just mirrored, trying to mirror what
Oh, look at that. They
Petco's got at the
got
moment.
Pepperstone, IC Markets thing. They got a few brokers that they're recommending. Uh, it doesn't tell you. It just says install. It doesn't tell you about. I don't think it's telling you anything about what lot size. You have to have a certain account. So
Well, if you set it to it's the auto setting, it calculates the lot size automatically.
oh, sorry, no leverage. That's what I'm trying to think of.
Leverage,
Not lot
all right,
size.
sorry, leverage.
Yeah, that's what I meant to manual install. Yeah, it's not mentioning anything. We better. Anyway, I'll get back to all of that. So yeah. Well, I don't need that. Get rid of that.
Anyway, I survived the Fed
You
interest rate
survived.
cut. Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll get back to that stuff later. So I'm just sort of saying some of these things are just so you got 3 currency pairs that could actually trade. So anyway,
So is it worth getting the extra licenses and and
Actually,
trade.
I can't remember what.
I think I did read that if you're going to trade all three pairs to just split your
Yeah, yeah,
risk. Obviously makes sense, but
yeah. I don't know.
the only I think the downside of trading, say,
Oh
three
yeah, it's
currency pairs
one
on one
account,
account. If
10 demo accounts.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
so yeah, when I may get another account then and put maybe AUD card, put it on AUD card.
Yeah. You can
I don't like trading two pairs on one account because
yeah.
if one of
It's
them
very
bombs out, it'll sort of take the other one with it, won't it?
yeah, no, absolutely. Um can't remember. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know whether it's oh yeah, you can actually oh we've got they actually get you to buy other licenses. How much are they?
Yeah, $99 or something for another license. Yeah,
Are they? Yeah. Two additionals 167, one additional is 97.
yeah,
Yeah. Well, if you had three licenses altogether though, that would give you the three different currency pairs. That's
yeah,
really
yeah.
what
That's
they're
it. Yeah,
doing.
get two more. Yeah,
Well, they're saying it'll do three currency pairs. Anyway, rightio. That's infinity. There's a lot of questions in amongst all of it. Okay. I might even contact them and ask them what sort of leverage you need for the account and will it operate on 1 to 30? Will all this sort of stuff? Because that's the bit that's actually not being mentioned anywhere here that I can see up front, if that makes sense. Rightio, AD CAD. And that's pulling back a bit. I don't know if I don't think that's triggered me in yet. All right, then. And after news, there was a bit of flip, but it's pushed back up and then back down again. What day is that? Oh, God. That was back on, Tuesday as well. So, in actual fact, Tom, the market really hasn't moved a lot, even though it's still sort of just sitting a bit flat, to be honest, this week, even with all that news.
Well, yeah, but you have to give it time to adjust too.
Yeah, true.
So
But
because
what
they,
yeah,
regardless of what Powell says, they had to market in that 0.25% drop minimum.
yeah,
So the market's
yeah.
already
It's
factored
already
that
factored
in.
in. Yeah.
Right. They were just coming out to see if he was going to say anything outrageous
Hmm.
and have it move again.
You like my
So,
mate, my orange mate.
right, exactly.
Yeah, if he said that, yeah.
Yeah.
I need to keep my job, and so
Yeah, he's just saying he's not gonna play that power trip game. He's just gonna do his job, drop to 0.25%,
yeah,
be done with it.
okay. Yeah. Yeah, but it's gonna like and sort of we all know, well, I think we all know that they're dropping interest rate, inflation's going back up again. All these tariffs are just hurting people in the US, and it's just going to cause a big piece of shit to happen.
Yes, they
Anyway,
know that.
yeah. And unemployment's going up and up and up actually rather rapidly, though, isn't it?
Hmm.
Same in UK. And we also here, we've got like major banks saying they're going to cut 3,500 jobs. It's like, whoa. So, and they're saying a lot of it's the AI, though these larger institutions that work off a lot of the digital stuff are just basically going to use AI or whatever, or move off people offshore or something, or their support stuff anyway. Okay, AUDCHF. Well, the story goes on, Darren. We'll see how you go. Rightio. It's changed over now. The AUD going back down. You can see here on the daily, we've got the sellout occurring. It's changed the color on the trend bar onto white. Poked out of the box, back out, back out of the box, back out. Yeah. Coming to the 50%. See what happens at that point. Okay, AUD Whoa. Okay, so that's come off big wicks though. That certainly is weakened off as well. Looks like all the AUD starting to turn. That's a bit of a pull up there though, but I might be changing that now. All right, AUD NZD, has it turned? No. Ooh, oh, it has a bit. Is it ready to drop off? How much do you need on that one, Derek? That's which EA is that one?
that's
Can't remember.
just not a
Dark
million
Titan.
around the third. Yeah.
Dark Titan, just playing around. Okay.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it's going to come back too much though, but we'll see. I think that's too tight to be calling that one. I'm not really comfortable with that one. Okay, AUD Singapore. Whoa, okay. Now, 2 hours saying that, daily saying that. I think I'm looking at, anyway, I'm not too comfortable. I think we'll end up having to sell out an AUD USD. Still not. Oh, look at the wick on that. Wow. Oh, it's only 60. That's not too bad. 60 or 70 pips, up or down, and then go back to the middle. That's massive, isn't it? That would have been the news, then pull back, then it's sitting in the middle. Bit like your USD. Well, it's not dropped off the cliff yet. Ah, look at the wick down there. That's it.
Hasn't moved.
No, no. In actual fact, it hasn't moved. But it did create this wick down here, though, Tom.
Right.
So this is just sit and wait, isn't it? Really, for me anyway. I don't know for you, but when it comes off and gets into the sell, hasn't done it this week. Well, not yet anyway.
Right.
No, sit on your hands on that one. All right, CAD CHF. Let's go down through the other pairs. Oh my gosh, that's still dropping off. And seriously. Did you get into that sell, Tom? You're in it? I thought you were in.
I
No?
did
Oh,
get in and I got out.
and it got
I never got
out.
back in.
Yeah, I know. God.
My bad.
That's
I'll
okay.
take it.
Yeah. What was that? That was rate decision. Yeah, they dropped that as well. Okay. Okay. All right, KJ. That dropped off as well. I think that's going to go further too. CHF JPY. Yeah, that's the push up. Look, that's really gone nowhere if you look at that point there. Okay, I'm not too happy with that one. So Euro AUD, where did that go? Oof, that pushed up. It's about to turn blue on the trend bar. Okay. Euro NZD should be something similar, is it? Yeah, it is too. All right, Euro CAD. God, the Euro's really getting a bit of strength. Look at after that day, though, it's come back sitting. It's created that knuckle in there, Tom, as you said yesterday.
Yep.
Certainly, Euro certainly on the push up. Euro CHF, that might be different. Yeah, let's come back down. Like obviously CHF is. Oh, you're getting there, Tom. It's starting to get there. We
Gotta be
talked about
patient.
this. We talked about this at the start of last week.
Oh, dude, I've sat on trades for a long time waiting for
Yeah,
him
I
to come
know.
around.
We're waiting for this before it gets down to come back up. Okay. Yep. Euro GBP. Oh, well, that's a bit interesting. Wouldn't expect that to. I don't know about that. British pound's got to make its rate decision tomorrow, Darren. Is it tomorrow morning, is it? Oh no, midday tomorrow. They say they're going to keep it on hold. Okay. Inflation rate. Oh, it come out at 3.8. Still a bit high, isn't it? Oh, okay. I would expect the euro to push up, but it's obviously this may change. Daily saying that, okay. I'm not really comfortable with that one in a minute.
What your weekly say?
Yeah, I was going to do that actually. No, the weekly say it's going to buy.
Yeah, mine too.
And the daily. The daily say it's going to buy and then sell out, but the moment on down the 2 hour, it's saying it's going to pull back a bit.
Yeah, it's going to finish its pullback.
Yeah. No, just wait for the buyout then. Okay. Euro GP buy. Yeah. Matched off. It has created it. It could disappear though, couldn't it? Could create a knuckle and then take off.
Sure.
You got a wick back up here out of that one.
Yeah, that's why my entry's above that.
Yeah, above this wick, yeah.
If it's going to break, it's going to go.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Euro NZD we've looked at, Euro Singapore. And now we're getting near because you're on Wednesday, you guys, so it's sort of the end. You've got another day really of potential move. You don't trade that. The Euro USD. Yeah, well, we'll see if it sells out. Oh no, look at it. Oh yeah, it is pushing back down. Darren. Are you muted, Darren, too? That must be coming back to it. It's watching it. Yes, I've
So I was
been there.
that right? Yeah. No, I was just switching my EAs back on.
Right, okay, because
Now that the press
Jerome's
conference is finished.
okay. Yeah, no, it's pushing back down. Look at that. Don't know whether it'll be enough to profit out, but we'll see.
I need to
Yeah.
pop down to
Yeah, 17.5, wasn't it? I think it was 17.5 something. I mean, it could.
17,542.
Yeah. Yeah, somewhere around here at the start of yesterday's, sorry, when were you yesterday? Yeah, start of your yesterday's market push. That's where it's got to come back to. All right, let's go. GA time. GA. Now it's starting to push up
Yeah, I just got into this.
for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Even though it's yeah, okay, yeah.
Yours says that. Mine doesn't.
No, yours has got it pushing up, has it? It
Yeah,
hasn't
exactly.
changed yet.
It says it's going to come up and take all these highs up here.
And I think it will too.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. That's really just a feed. All right then. And I think it will as well. Absolutely. I think the GBP will strengthen up. Aussie dollar will weaken off. Tad too much. Oh, we've got a knuckle here now. Ready to go down, are we? Nah. What do you got, Tom? You got anything?
Well, I was in the sell. I got taken out.
Yeah, okay.
So now I have two trades set up. One under the two wicks here at the
Yeah.
bottom for
Yep.
the sell out. And then
Okay.
one brick above the top of that wick
Wick. Yeah, okay. For
for
the
the buy
buy.
up.
Yeah. Mm. It will
Because
come
now it
down
has
to
to go
that.
somewhere.
Yeah, absolutely it does.
It's trapped itself.
Yeah, at the moment it has. Yeah. And maybe this rate decision will be but it's already factored. They already know what's going to happen. Well,
Sure
they,
they
they
do.
may, but they may lower interest rate and then that'd cause a real, wow, cat amongst
So
the pigeons then.
yeah, if you look to your left on the daily, we're buying up.
Yeah. Yeah, we're buying up the whole way.
So to me, if this is going to be a continuational buy up, even if it
Yeah.
peaks out up here somewhere
Right.
on this lower time frame, it's going to have to either knuckle here and
Yeah.
keep going
Which
up.
which it
Typically,
has
you get
already. It has already really. It's
right,
really
and
not.
typically you get about three candles afterwards,
Yeah. Yeah.
or it's going to have
True.
to turn and push down after the news came out.
Yeah. I'm gonna
But
if
on the
it can
daily,
if it
we're still
continues.
buying.
Yeah, if it continues up, you're not going to get a gold indicator. If it's going to come back down, you will get one. Yeah, okay. That one on. I don't know. I think it'll actually buy.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Out of that. Anyway, all right. Well, I'm actually willing to let it sit because I want the longer term sell out of it, which I think it will do, but I think it's still buying at the moment. All right, GBP CHF. Oh, we talked about that, didn't we? Going to pull up and then we'll see the down. So this is not going to be at this point. I think we put that on there a week or so ago, Tom.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look like it's sort of it's breaking down past it already. Pull back up and then sell. I don't think it's going to do a buy. No, it might. Look, the daily saying it'll push back up. We'll wait and see. Okay. GJ. Well, that's buying. That's buying out. I maybe that gold will disappear and we'll get that buy up.
I'm
Have
in
you got
this.
it in already? I was looking at putting a buy stop at the top of that.
Well, my buy stop is at the top of that red wick to the left.
This one.
Yeah,
Yeah, so you already been triggered in.
right.
Okay. No, mine. Because I wanted it to get out of this constriction. Oh, yeah, well, it would have been sensible. If it had to come up above that, it would have been. That's right. Okay. But now I'm going to wait until it comes up above that one and gets out of it. All right. GN. I think it's going to sell. Yeah. No, I'm not too convinced of either. All right. GBP Singapore. No. And GU. This is the one you're in, Darren, with that infinity, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Again, see how it knuckled?
Yeah, yeah, just here and then took off.
Now count your candles above that red wick. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Well, you may get more, but I'm saying you're going to get 3.
Yeah,
What I typically look at is 3,
yeah,
because
yeah.
by the time you get that third one, a gold bar will form if it's going to
Oh,
turn.
yeah, okay. Hmm. I'm waiting for the sell out on it because I think that's what will happen. All right, NZD CAD. Was that one of those pairs?
I am still in this.
He's still in it. NZD CAD.
Yep.
Okay, hang on. Oh, he's still in the buy.
Mm-hmm.
It is pulling back though.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to stay in it. You're going to give up profit.
Yeah. I'm only looking at this coming back halfway.
Yeah, okay. You're willing to do that before it pushes back up.
Right.
Okay.
Because on the weekly and the daily, it's buying.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And so if this is the new low down here,
Yeah. Down here,
and my
that's right.
entry is down here at the beginning, this is going to come back, possibly check it, and away we go. Either way, I'm going to be in this trade.
Yeah, okay.
If I lose, I lose.
And you'll get an additional if it comes down and then takes off again. Okay.
Exactly. It'll just be a second and a third and a fourth because then I know we're going that way.
Okay. All right. NZD CHF. Definitely selling out that one. Uh, yeah, okay. And NJ. Yeah, that's selling out too.
I'm in this one.
Yeah, you're already in it, are you? Yeah, you would have got in at the bottom of that week. Okay. Right. And NU. Right. I have to see if it comes back. It's pushing back up a bit. This could disappear, this gold thing, and like it make a knuckle pushed up. 1, 2. Hmm. It only did 2 out of that, Tom, and then 1, 2, 3 up there. It's playing around a little bit. All right, Singapore, Japanese yen. Oh, nah, forget it. UCAD, rightio. Now we're on that push back up again. Is that, Darren, is that Eternals, UCAD?
Yeah, it
Okay.
is.
Yeah, all right. Hang on, let
All
me
good
just
with Eternals.
Eternals UCAD. USD UCAD. Rightio.
I'm on the mid risk or medium risk settings on that, by the way, if you're interested.
Okay. Okay, let me just go and put that in.
I think there's an option of low, medium, or high, or low, mid, and high, whatever it is, right on the mid.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Rightio. No worries. That's good.
Ooh, I just triggered into I just triggered in ACAD.
For the
Nice.
sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think it's all starting to
You what?
now. I think it's starting to it was starting to turn already, and now you triggered in. Fair enough. USD CHF. Oh, well, I reckon we're going to continue down here. Was that something on that one? Would have been okay. And UJ, has that changed now? Yeah. It's been a bit chunky, really. Look at it here. Now it's done that push down with the rate thing, but push back up again. Okay. USD and Singapore. Okay. I'm not really convinced on that. And gold has, wait, what did gold do? Look at that. There's the rate decision. It pushed up, pulled back again. And here it's a bit, yeah, very interesting. It hasn't finished there, but it's created a wick up. So this hasn't completed fully. Oh, you'll have to wait until market closes, yeah. Then maybe that will come on. Okay. Silver did the same thing, pull back. Wow, that was a big move, wasn't it? Jeez. Where's it? That's quite a few, quite a quite a big distance. Okay, so gold may pull back too. Bitcoin's kept about stable though. Look at it. I thought that would have taken off. Okay, knuckled up here, pull back. Okay, and US oil still around that 64. That really hasn't gone anywhere either. Pull back down actually, if anything. Okay, there you go. Well, it takes a while, doesn't it, Darren, to get these things all set up and work out what you're doing with them. It's
Yeah, it
trying
does.
to, which pairs, well, I'm trying to get all that stuff set up
Yeah.
so I can go back to a reference to know what I'm doing with it. Try and put a web link in as well so that I can go back to it, like in the spreadsheet I'm creating.
Yeah.
But anyway. All right. Well, that's been an exciting 24 hours then. Very exciting for that. So you've got them all switched back on again?
Yeah, all switch back on again, and Euro
But you
USD
only,
pushing down now. That's what we
sorry,
want to say.
what? The which?
And Euro USD is pushing down now, so that's
Yeah, I said that before.
yeah.
It's nearly down to the lowest it was at the rate decision.
Yeah.
So we'll be watching, Darren, for you. We'll just watch and see how it all goes.
What are we now?
Um,
About 9% in drawdown. Bear in mind, this peaked at 31% right at the top of that wick.
yeah, that's the best part of martingale, isn't it,
Yeah.
eh? I don't know.
Yeah, I mean,
Are you thinking once you get out of those trades, are you thinking of changing it over to what was the other currency pair that he suggested?
what on which are we talking
That
about?
Petco suggested you put in the chat, in the group chat.
It wasn't a suggestion. I just noticed on the. I've not seen any. Sorry, he did that latest video, and he was latest YouTube video, and he was looking back, and he was sort of looking at the top ones, the best ones, from doing this 100K project, and sort of the bottom of that group, sort of 10th or whatever it was FX Proctor. So he's including that within in those. But when I went on the website, clicked on that line, it then takes you to I think the FX Blue chart, gives you a bit more information. I could see that they were trading AUD USD, but not Euro USD.
Mm-hmm.
So they've obviously avoided that. They've avoided that drawdown that I've been in.
Yeah, but the AUD USD is also pushed up as well.
Yeah, that's in a bit of drawdown as well. It's in positions on that, but it's nothing in comparison. It's just
Euro USD is now below the daily low.
yeah.
and pushing down. So we'll just see what happens across in the Asian session today.
When this sort of
Friday.
concludes, the plan is to I've got too much money in this account now because I'm gradually diversifying, so I'm spreading it, and I'm trying to have an even same amount in each account. So I've gone from like 3 or 4 EAs to like a dozen of them now.
Yeah. And you can't have £5 million in one account
That's
and
right.
not much in the others. Yeah.
So I'm looking about 500,000 in each.
Yeah, £500,000 across each. Yeah.
Well, because this has been stuck in drawdown, this has been going on now. It's actually, I think it was the end of July when these positions.
Yeah, I remember you
Because
saying.
it's been stuck in this drawdown, I'm stuck with this high balance in this account relative to the others. So I'm waiting for these to conclude, take some money out, set up Euro stable with the funds out of that account. And I will also change the lot sizes on lower the lot sizes on Proctor as
Will
well.
you change to number 2 version or what?
I think yeah, that's a good point. I could do that, couldn't I? But I'll probably look to lower the lot sizes. I think it's just it's been very profitable here. It's a bit too risky, really, for my liking. It needs I think it just needs a bit more room in the account.
They all will have a risky stage in them, though, Darren. You can't avoid EAs.
But it's been a bit too frequent, I think, on this one.
It's
been going to drawdown quite regularly.
Yeah,
quite quick.
bit like sharpshooter. 3 years of okay, and then boom, bing, 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 bing.
Yeah.
The orange devil has played his.
Yeah, he certainly causing some havoc. I might have to have a word with him.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Invite him over
That,
invite him over for dinner. He's going to be there, isn't he, this week or next
that's
week?
true, yeah. So we can get hold of him.
He's going to rub shoulders with Charlie, and
well, he is doing. They've got the.
He'll probably be patting the horse, won't he? He'll be patting the horse.
They've got the big banquet this evening. That's ongoing at the minute.
Oh, is he over there now?
Oh yeah. They're going out of the way to please him. So he's been in the horse and carriage around Windsor, lunch in the castle. Now it's the state banquet, and
he's got a couple of. They load up the carriage with young girls or something for him, or.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't think stuff like that goes on at the Windsor.
Won't Andrew be there? Andrew.
No.
Andrew will be.
He's banished. Andrew. Yeah, they're not letting him anywhere. Not letting him anywhere near it.
Him and Trumpy used to play up a bit, didn't they?
Yeah. I don't think they want him anywhere near Trump at the moment.
They'll be dishing out the.
Oh yeah, with some sort of some sort of scandal.
It's a controlled media.
They've announced a mega deal, AI deal. It's going to be worth billions, apparently.
Oh.
The UK.
More people out of work.
They're going to create thousands of jobs, boost the economy.
Sure.
It's surprising what you can do when you really butter somebody up like Trump. That's as uncomfortable as it is to watch. You can see the reasoning for doing it, can't you? To get the trade deals and that sort of thing. But it is a bit uncomfortable to watch.
As long as the Euro USD, no, it's pulled back up a little bit now.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah, slightly, only slightly.
Yeah, it's just playing with me now.
It's playing with you. Yeah. It's got you on the string, mate.
Yeah.
But after that big push up yesterday, it had to do some pullback. I mean, it could have kept going, but that's quite substantial. No. All right. Well, let's see how that all goes. Hopefully I'll be setting these ones up. Slowly we'll see. So, but that Infinity can trade. Well, they suggest 3 different currency pairs. You've just got it on GU at the moment.
Yeah. I mean, I literally, bit amateurish, but I literally with my phone took photos of I kept freezing the YouTube video, taking a photo of his settings. I mean, I can send those to you if you like, just because it's quite quick scrolling through his settings, and
Yeah, he is, isn't he? Yeah.
you have to keep going back again. Let's just play that again. What did he do there? You know, it's
Yeah. Well, that's okay. I can do that. That's not a problem.
yeah.
I'll write them down anyway, or
Yeah,
like, yeah, you've got photos of them. I'll see how we go.
yeah.
But
I
I'll
mean, once
probably,
it's set up, if every trade should be, if you set it up right in accordance with Petco settings, each position should be the same. Should be the same
lot
lot size.
size.
If you
Yeah.
start opening very different lot sizes, you know you've
Yeah. You've mucked it up.
something somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll put it on a demo to start with. That's what I'll
Yeah.
do. And just
Yeah.
see what it's doing and then go from there.
Yeah.
All right, then.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow. It'll be my Friday or Thursday where things slow up. Just to tell you, I think I'm away Monday, Tuesday from home. So I probably won't be able to log in Monday, Tuesday. My Monday, Tuesday, which is your Sunday, Monday. But I should be back after that because it's school holidays. We've got 2 weeks school holidays. So I've got plenty of stuff I've got to do. It all gets banked up. All right, then.
Okay.
Till tomorrow. See you, Tom.
Yeah.
Keep
All right.
keep strong. Keep strong, Darren. Keep strong.
Yeah. Hang on in there. Hang on in there.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Bye.